Welcome to this instructional video on how you can manage your Fabric workspaces. An easy way to manage Fabric workspaces is by using the new task options. This task flow option can be found in the top right hand corner of your workspace where you see these down arrows. By selecting these arrows, we get a short prompt to either create a basic visualization task flow or we can add our own task. For the sake of guiding you through this, let's add our own task. So the first task we'd like to add would be a task that identifies the storage of data. So let's hit Store Data. A task where data is stored, it allows you to organize anything with regard to queries or even your semantic models. In this instance, we would like to attach the semantic models that have already been created in our Fabric workspace. So I'll select the Attach button. I'm going to assign these 3 semantic models to my Store Data task flow. Now that we've done that, I would now like to add an additional task item. This task item is the Visualize Data task item. I'm selecting Visualize Data and I can simply drag this particular item in front of my store item and attach my reports that I would like to be seen. So I would attach these 3 as well as my dashboard to this particular task item. So now we can see we have, if I select Visualize, I can see all of my reports and the dashboard showing here, as well as if I go to the store, I can see all of my store related items, which would be my semantic models. Now I would like to connect the store items to the visualizations. And if I hover over store items, I see that there's this bar that comes up here. I can select the bar and then I can drag this over to Visualize, and there we have a connector. So my store items and my Visualize show this flow of data moving from my semantic model over to the reports that would be connected to that semantic model. This gives you a fast way to visualize everything that is within your workspace. So if I would like to get to something very quickly, I can simply choose the respective task item and get to that particular information. You can always find more details on the descriptions that's found over in the right hand side of the details pane by selecting each of these items, and you get that short description accordingly. Thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of your day.
And that's it. With just a few steps, you can keep your Fabric workspace clean, secure, and efficient. Want to dive deeper or need help setting up your workspace? Book a free consultation with our team today. We're here to help you make the most of Microsoft Fabric.